Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have missed you all so much. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial for this beautiful blue smoky eye look. I absolutely love this look, and the palette that I will be using in the video is the Morphe X James Charles palette. I really like this palette. It's a really good palette. I mean, you guys have probably seen this like a million times on everyone else's channel, but it's just so pretty. It really is, and this has been very well loved. So this is the palette I'm going to be using today. You can use any kind of palette you want that has blue eyeshadows in it, whatever you feel like. So grab your palettes, grab your brushes, grab your makeup, and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. I recently just got this and I tried it yesterday and it's really good. So I'm going to apply that to my eyelids. Now I'm going to be taking my Morphe X James Charles eyeshadow palette, and as you can see, it's been pretty loved. So I'm going to be using these blues today. So I'm going to use, let's see, this blue, and this blue, and this blue. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this dark blue and this kind of purple blue, and I'm going to mix these two together. And I'm just going to lightly stamp it, like just stamp it gently, and then blend in circular motions. Repeat the same step on the other eye. Okay, now my new concealers. I recently got new concealers. These are the Jeffree Star Magic Concealers. And I'm going to take, I think I'm going to take C1. I got 3 shades. I got C1, C4, and C3 because I couldn't decide which shade to get, so I just got all 3. This is my first time using these. So I'm going to put a little bit on the back of on the side of my hand. I'm going to take a flat brush like this, and I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to take my little mirror and we're going to cut the crease. It's very, oh wow, okay. This concealer is really pigmented. Wow, I'm impressed. Wow. I'm impressed. I am impressed. Wow. And this is my complete first impressions. Like, wow. I'm impressed. I am impressed. Get the rest. Oh, gotta reapply. I really like the packaging. It's really cute. And repeat the same. Wow, that is some pigmented concealer. Wow. Okay, now I'm gonna take my brush again. I'm just gonna Just fix up the edges a little bit. And I'm going to take the same brush again, and I'm going to wet it with my setting spray. This is the Rimmel London Instago Fix and Go 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. This stuff is amazing, and it smells like cucumbers, which I have said a million times here on my channel, because it does. It's just lovely. I love it. Okay, now we're going to take this gorgeous blue here. It's really pretty blue. Okay, tap off the excess. Oh! Oops. Take my little mirror. Oh yeah. I'm kind of annoyed at myself I didn't use this color sooner. I've been meaning to use these blues from this palette for a while, and now that I have, I'm like, why haven't I done this sooner? These are gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm definitely gonna do this again this summer. Oh my god, these are so pretty. So pretty. I'm happy. Wow. Oh wow, these colors are gorgeous. All right. Eyes are done for now. Now I'm going to just take a makeup wipe. These are the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Palettes. You guys know these are my holy grails. I always go back to these because I've tried so many, and these are just my go-tos. They're amazing. So I'm just going to wipe away any excess. For foundation, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Clean Fresh foundation. This is really good. It's lovely. And it's very lightweight too, which I like. So yeah, I really like this one. I actually have to get some more because I'm pretty sure I'm out. Get the last of it. Yep. There we go. Okay, that is definitely empty. The only downside is this is very runny, as you can see. It is very runny, so you have to be super careful not to get it everywhere. So this is what I suggest doing, just putting it on your sponge and just wiping it all over and then blending. Because this stuff is very runny. Concealers, the Magic Star concealers from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use I'll use C3 and C1. Oh wow. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna take, actually I might use a little bit of C4. I'll just use all three. Okay. Actually, I'll just use those two. Wow, this stuff is pigmented. Wow, this is really full coverage. Like, I'm really impressed. Wow. I'm speechless. This is a really good concealer. Wow. I am impressed. Like, really impressed. Okay, now I'm gonna take my favorite setting powder, the Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder. I'm impressed. Okay. Now I'm going to take a small brush, if I can find it. Small brush. This is the Amorphe X Jaclyn Hill. This is the JH number 40 brush. And I'm going to take those blues again on my palette. And I'm just going to smoke out my lash line. Now I'm just going to take the Rimmel London Soft Kohl eyeliner pencil. Now for brows, I'm using the e.l.f. Brow Kit, which so far I really like. I've only used it a few times. So I'm taking the light shade and filling my brow. Now I'm going to apply some bronzer. I'm using the Micro Beauty bronzer. This is in Tropical. This is the Tropical Bronzer Duo. So I'm going to take an angle brush I'm going to take the same Micro Beauty blush duo. I'm going to take the light pink. Okay, now I'm going to take some mascara. This is again from Micro Beauty, and this is their waterproof full lash mascara. It's really nice too. Now for highlighter, I'm just gonna take all the highlights in the palette. This one right here. And for lips, I am taking the Morphe lip liner in Pinkin. This is a really pretty baby pink. And I'm gonna go over it with this lipstick from, it's from KM. I got it in a Bella box. It's really pretty. And there you have it. This beautiful blue smoky eye look. I absolutely love this look, you guys. It is beautiful. So thank you guys so much for watching. I've missed you all so much. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment down below, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Stay beautiful. Bye. Mwah. Bye-bye, guys.